Hello and welcome back.
So what is the greenhouse effect? I hope most of you know this already, but let's talk about it a little bit. The sun warms up Earth with solar energy. Solar energy passes through the atmosphere, hits the Earth, and then some of the energy is reflected as infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases, particularly gases like carbon dioxide or methane, are accumulating in the atmosphere due to human burning of fossil fuels and other industrial processes. And these gases will reflect some of that infrared radiation back to the planet. Where in the past the energy would have escaped back into space, now it's being reflected back onto the planet and over and over again, which is slowly raising the overall temperature of planet Earth. In the last 40 years, the planet has increased its overall temperature by over a degree due to human emissions of greenhouse gases. That process is expected to continue unless we do something drastically to prevent it, along with increasing temperature, average global temperatures. We will see increased weather events. We'll see increased hurricanes, increased cyclones, increased rainfalls in some parts of the world, and decreased rainfalls in other parts of the world. These can be catastrophic, and coastal communities are going to be particularly at risk as global warming heats the poles, the North and South Pole, and global water levels rise. Currently, water levels are rising slowly, but that process is expected to accelerate, and it is possible that there may be rises in the future of up to about 10 feet, and that would inundate and flood many coastal communities, places like Florida, for example. It is important to reduce air pollution to reduce the threat of global warming. Changes need to occur in the energy, transportation, and industrial sectors. Reducing consumption of fossil fuels, particularly in cars, is essential here. Shifting to alternative fuels, improving gas mileage. We're starting to see already a transition to electric cars, but we need to know where that electricity is coming from and whether that electricity is also causing global warming, if it's coming from coal-fired power plants and so forth. And then on an individual level, we need to think about ways that we can reduce our own personal carbon footprints. Humans create a tremendous amount of waste, and there's a tremendous amount of waste produced by Americans. Around 75% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, yet only 1 or 2% of that water is fresh and drinkable water. Human and animal waste can contaminate those waterways. Industrial and household waste also can contaminate those waterways, and we don't have very much fresh water available to us. So this is a huge problem for all of society.